Experience Nike's VOMERO Plus, the swooshless running shoe built for supreme comfort and next-level cushioning. Designed in collaboration with Project Dreamweaver, a team of elite female athletes training for Olympic trials, this innovative model blends the trusted softness of the VOMERO series with insights from the Invincible 3. Its standout feature is the full-length 45mm ZoomX midsole, Nike's lightest and most responsive foam, delivering an impressive 85% energy return for smoother, more efficient long-distance runs. The VOMERO Plus introduces a wide platform and enhanced rocker geometry for stability, while its natural beige-and-brown embroidered upper keeps the aesthetic clean and modern. The bold removal of the side swoosh highlights its confidence. Comfort speaks louder than branding. Set to release globally on November 21, 2025 at $180, this versatile pair is perfect for runners seeking reliable cushioning and everyday wear performance.